Your parents never told you about this tiny survivor. It holds secrets for humanity's future, hidden in plain sight. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the indestructible water bear. These microscopic animals thrive in Earth's harshest environments. They are found from mountain tops to deep ocean trenches. Tardigrades can survive extreme heat, cold, and radiation. Their incredible resilience offers profound insights for science. We will explore their future impact and hidden potential today. Tardigrades enter a suspended state called cryptobiosis for survival. They retract limbs, expelling water, forming an almost lifeless ton. Inside this ton, their metabolism drops to 0.01% of normal. This state allows them to endure incredible environmental pressures. They can survive dehydration for decades, even centuries, this way. In 2007, some tardigrades survived open space vacuum and radiation. This groundbreaking Photon M3 mission shocked the scientific community. Their DNA repair mechanisms are key to surviving such damage. Many new tardigrade species are still being discovered globally. Scientists constantly find them in obscure moss and lichen samples. Each new species offers unique adaptations and genetic blueprints. Researchers at places like the University of Copenhagen lead this work. Understanding their diversity helps map global ecological health. These tiny creatures reveal Earth's vast, unexplored microbiodiversity. Modern macro photography is crucial for documenting these finds. It brings their intricate details into sharp, public focus. Tardigrades inspire astrobiologists searching for extraterrestrial life. Their survival traits suggest life could exist in harsh alien worlds. Could life on Mars or Europa possess similar survival mechanisms? Research into tardigrade proteins could protect human cells in space. Scientists investigate their damage suppressor protein, DSUP. This protein shields DNA from radiation, a major space travel concern. Future genetic engineering might leverage DSUP for human protection. They truly represent a biological blueprint for extreme endurance. Climate change threatens even these seemingly invincible organisms. Habitat destruction impacts their delicate microecosystems directly. Monitoring tardigrade populations reveals subtle environmental shifts. Citizen science projects increasingly contribute to their study. Macro photography shares their beauty, fostering appreciation and action. It reminds us that every tiny life form plays a vital planetary role. Protecting their habitats safeguards incredible future biological insights. We must ensure these tiny survivors continue thriving for generations. Tardigrades are more than just resilient microscopic marvels. They are living lessons in survival, adaptation, and future potential. Their secrets could unlock new technologies for human exploration. These water bears truly hold keys to our shared biological future. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of nature's hidden wonders.